Hey there, and welcome to my Tableau deep diving course. Now, I wrote this course because I work with a lot of people who want to look into their data. They want to figure out what's happening inside of it, and this can mean a number of things. They want to look at maybe the revenue or their sales, or maybe where their expenses are. Maybe they want to do some sort of regional analysis or geographical analysis. But it can also mean they want to analyze maybe people. What are their strengths, their weaknesses, maybe performance, behavior. And the idea is we want to look for trends and patterns in this data. Now, here's the challenge. The data is usually messy. It's fragmented, it's got missing information, or the instructions we've been given don't exactly reflect what we're seeing in the data. Now, our job as a Tableau user, analyst, programmer is to still try to make sense of this data. This brings me to my next question. Who is this course for? Now, if you're a person who deals with relatively large data or even small data, this course is for you because the idea is how do you go about assessing that information? How do you go about visualizing that information rather than the size of the data? Now, if you also want to look at how do you choose which visualizations work best for certain types of data, this course is also for you. We'll be looking at different ways to look at the same data and then trying to decide, well, which one's the best one. If you want to learn as well the deeper philosophies of data visualizations, why do we use certain colors? Why do we lay our dashboards out in a certain way? This course is also for you. And the last thing is, once we've done this great analysis, how do we communicate it? How do we actually tell someone what we found? So you'll learn that in the course as well. And this brings me to my last question. Who shouldn't take this course? Now, this course is not for beginners. I stress this. I will not be going into huge detail about how to create the basic visualizations or bar charts. Instead, what I recommend you do is take my complete training guide to Tableau all the way up to the intermediate section and possibly parts of the expert section. And from there, you should be able to follow along with this course. Now, if you think you are about intermediate or expert or you're not sure, I recommend giving it a shot anyway. If you find that it's a bit too difficult, you can still get a refund within 30 days. It's 100% guaranteed by Udemy, so you're not going to lose anything. And that's it. So I'll hopefully see you inside.